All right, folks, check this out. It's made by Litter Robot. The cat litter. You're tired of changing your cat litter? You want to make it a little bit easier, okay? Comes in a couple of pieces you just snap together, all right? Got the base, you got the drawer, okay? Drawer slides right out. Comes with a bunch of bags. You lay them out like that. Okay, snaps right in. Got the base, got the round ball, and then you got the bonnet that goes on top. Once you plug it in, you put a little cat litter in it, right up to that baseline, so it's nice and even. And what happens is that you can either time it, you can set it with your app, you can do whatever you want, whenever you want to clean it. But I'm going to show you how it works. Watch this. I'm going to hit cycle. If you hit empty, it's going to dump everything in there with the litter and everything in there right back into the tray, and then you can throw it out. But if you're just going to clean it, this is what we do. It'll turn. Or the clean litter will get screened out right there. It'll save it in that little pocket. And all the clumped up stuff, the waste, of course, will stay in clumps. Like, for example, there's a little piece there. It's going to go through that hole and into the waste bin. See, it's going to dump right there, and then it's going to come back. Right, Waffles? Waffles are helping me out today. Now it's going to turn back, and watch all the litter that's clean. It's going to come through that screen and fill back up. Comes with a bunch of bags. Comes with instructions. They have a Wi-Fi app that you can operate it through Wi-Fi if you want. Okay, it's pretty awesome. When you fill your litter, you gotta fill it up to that line. Okay, maybe it's about 10 pounds. You know, just lay it flat and watch what happens. Now it comes through that. It's gonna come out just a little bit more, so I'm gonna level it out. It's gonna return. And just like that, you got your little automatic litter box cleaner. And it comes with a pair of stairs. Snaps right here. Okay? Allows them to crawl up, in, and come back out. All right? Pretty cool, right? It's like a robot. LitterRobot.com. Okay? Just a little couple of instructions here. It's a cool item. And there will be a little QR code there if you guys want to check it out. All right. That's it. Litter Robot by Whisker. Thanks for watching. Ciao.